3 points. Medes. Salarda to Gazabo. Sub. Four minutes and 15. Hitano, no rebound. Jersey 18 to jersey number 12. Gilaran, no. Medes. And still. D1. To jersey 0, no basket. Amar. Foul. 33. Personal foul. Sub. .38. 3 minutes and 38. One point. Jersey number 12, Gilaran. Last stats on jersey, 27 from Antipolo. 14 shot clock. 14 shot clock. Bongkat, open shot, no rebound, jersey 14. 2-0 now. Bongkat, 2 points. Hitano to Medes for 3 short. Rebound, jersey 27, now rebound 33 to jersey number 12, Gilaran. Pass to D1. Hitano, dive, follow up on jersey 27. 2 points. Gilaran. Still. Hitano for 3. No. Rebound jersey 0 to 33. To jersey number 12 to 18. D1 back to 12. Gilaran. To jersey 14. 12 to shoot. Bongkat. Bongkat. 2 points. 1 minute and 55. Medes. 1:45, 12 to shoot. The sub. One minute and 39. 1 minute and 39. Gilaran to D1 to Bongkat. And still Amar to Hitano. Easy 2 points. 1 minute and 15. Foul. Areza. Personal foul. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. Foul. Jersey 18. Second personal foul, jersey 18. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. 55 seconds. Areza using the glass. The first big-up of the ball game. 45 seconds. We found 27. 42 seconds. 42. 27 first foul. 2 points, jersey 24. 35. 30. 25, 14 shot clock. Yeah, the reason, foul. Jersey, first foul. Jesus, first foul. 14 shot clock. Twelve seconds. 10. 5. End of the first quarter. With a score of 16-all, the second tip-lock of the ball game. Barangay Antipolo versus Barangay 3. Jersey number 3. 21. Lost ball foul. First personal foul, jersey 21 from Barangay Antipolo. Gazabon. Still, jersey 31 to 27, Villafranca, 2 points. Gazabon. To jersey 0, to the 1. Drive, no rebound. Jersey 27, Villafranca to Hitano. To Amar for 3, short. Rebound, jersey 16, Gazabon. Baseball pass to 33, Boca, easy layup. 18-all. Still, Ilsana to T1. Easy 2 points. Hitana. 15 to shoot to Villafranca. Running shot, no rebound. Amar to Villafranca, 2 points. 20. Two points. Twenty-two, 20. Tornado na. the basket. May kasama pa foul. Jersey 21. Jersey 21, second personal foul. Espinosa, second personal foul. Bonus through, Jersey 24. Complete 3 points. Hitana. Hitana. Fire for 3. Foul. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Three free throw. Hitana. First throw basket. Second throw basket. Last throw. Rebound Jersey 0 to Gazapo. To Jersey number 1. 14 shot clock. Six minutes and 30. Second quarter. 15 shot clock. And still, D1 to Jersey 16. Gazapo. 27-22 in favor of Barangay 3. 27 for 3, air ball. Time out, Barangay Antipolo. With a time of 5 minutes and 54. Gregorio to Jersey number 1, Hitano. Back to Melis to Jersey number 3. 5 for 3, no basket, rebound Gregorio. 10 to shoot. Foul, basket, Jersey 24. First personal foul. Sub. Bongkat. We have a foul. Jersey number 1, Gregorio, first personal foul. Complete to free throw, jersey 33, Bungkag. 5 minutes. Fourteen shot clock. Four minutes and 45. Gazabong to Bungkag. We have a foul, jersey 18. Sub. Arisa, third personal foul. Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 10. 5 to shoot. Four minutes. Jersey 16 to 11. To Bungkag. No rebound. Foul 26. First personal foul. Canyadelia. Hitana. To jersey 27. To jersey number 1. Gregorio. No rebound. Jersey 21, no rebound, jersey 33 to Canyadelia. To Gazabong. 14 shot clock. Reverse. Salarda. Hitano for 3. Rebound jersey 28 is still Hitana to Gregorio. Foul up, no basket, rebound. Jersey number 1, Gregorio. Foul. Second personal foul.
No.
Penalty na. Two minutes and 41. 2:41. Second basket. Three points minutes. Bungkag, no, rebound jersey 19, minutes to 31. 31 to jersey 27. 2 points. 2 minutes remaining time for the second quarter. Fourteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. Traveling. One minute and 40. Time out, Barangay 3. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Quintana now, rebound jersey 26 to Gazapo. Liap now basket, rebound 21 to jersey 27. Tunay for 2 points. 1 point lead, Barangay Antipolo. Salada now, rebound jersey 19. Salada, 2 points. 30 segundos ang nabilin. $25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 'End of the second quarter with a score of 37-34. Jersey 11 for 3 in and out, rebound 18 to Amar. Yes, that's an Amar. Offensive foul. Jersey 15. First foul. Jersey 15. 15 shot clock. Traveling. D1. Foul. Jersey number 1. Gregorio Zigan, personal foul. 2 free throw, D1. First two basket, jersey 18. Complete, 2 free throw. Fourteen to shoot. D1, easy layup. Seven minutes and 15, third quarter. Jersey 3 to jersey 11. 2 points, Salarda. Jersey number 1. To Omar. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. D1. Timeout, Barangay Antipolo. With a time of 6 minutes and 40 seconds. With a score of 45, Barangay 3, 34, Barangay Antipolo. Traveling. Three points, jersey 14. Fifteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Sub. Villa Franca in. Milis out. Five minutes and 35. Bongkag, no? Villafranca to Hintana. Ivan, D1. To Salada for 3, no basket, rebound. Jersey 14. Five minutes left. Sub. Jersey 18. 15 shot clock. D1 drive, no basket, rebound Jersey 21. No foul, Jersey 0. First personal foul. 4 minutes and 50. Drive down, rebound. A traveling violation. Fourteen shot clock. Still. 2 Jersey 7. No basket, rebound Jersey 27. To Hitano. 2 Jersey 15. 18, 2 points. 3 minutes and 50. 15 shot clock. Foul. 18 foul. Jersey 18. D1 second personal foul. Last throw. Complete to free throw. Three minutes remaining time. 14 shot clock. Eight to shoot. 5 to shoot. William Branca. 2 minutes and 30. Fifteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. D1. Two minutes. Sub. One minute and 25. Fourteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. 3 points. Meres. 1 minute remaining time. Third quarter. 14 to shoot. Traveling violation. $50 seconds. 45. 14 to shoot. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 3 points, Meles. 15. 10. 5. 4.7. 4.7. 4.7. End of the third quarter with a score of 55 Barangay 3, 48 Antipolo. 55-48. Ariza to Omar to Meles, 15 to shoot. Back to Meles for 3, short. Rebound. Bongkag to Salarda. To Gazabo. Gazabo to jersey number 7. Meles, second attempt, no basket, rebound, Meles again, the third attempt. My foul. 33. The second, personal foul, Bongkag, jersey 33. First throw basket, jersey 19, Meles. Complete to free throw, Meles from Barangay Antipolo. Two points, jersey 7, Gutierrez. Fifteen shot clock, and still Diwan drive. The second attempt, Diwan, no basket. Jersey 16. My foul. 27. Villafranca, third personal foul. Eight minutes and 21, the fourth and the final quarter. First throw basket, Gazapa. Sub. He's Pinozaen. Villafranca out. (61-50). (15 to shoot). Ariza, 2 points. Seven minutes and 50. Hitana. Ten to shoot. Salarda for 3. Rebound Gazapa to D1 for 3. No basket. Gazapa fake side step. 2 points. Timeout Barangay Antipolo. With a time of 6 minutes and 53 seconds. The fourth and the final quarter with a score of 63 Barangay 3, 54 Antipolo. Mga kabarangay, alas 6 may game na di. Team Pilipinas versus Team Pontevedra. Menes for 3. Last touch, Bongkag. Antipolo's ball. 14 shot clock, 14. 10 to shoot. Amar for 3, short. D1 to Gutierrez. Six minutes. Areza. Drive. Basketball. 2 points. (15 to shoot. (14 shot clock. 3 points. Amar. 5 minutes left. Galzapo to D1. Shot clock 15. Salarda for 3. In and out. Sub. Sub. "19 to shoot. Quintana for 3. Last that's on jersey 18. Still, Amar to Menes to Areza, using the glass. 4 minutes left. 65 Barangay 3, 61 Antipolo. Three minutes and 56 seconds. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Fourth to the final quarter. Three minutes and 56. The fourth quarter. Quintana for 3. No basket. Rebound. Menes. 3-point. Menes. 1-point lead. Barangay 3. 65-64. Salaga 3. No basket. Rebound Espinosa to Menes. Salada drive. AC layup. Quintana to Amar. No rebound. Jersey zero to Diwan. Diwan to Salada. Two points, Areza. 1-point lead, Barangay 3. 67-66. 15 shot clock. 2 minutes and 30. 2 minutes and 25. 15 shot clock. Amar for 3. No rebound. Jersey zero. Lost. 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. One minute and 40. $15 to shoot. Areza, side step, no. Time out. Barangay 3. 1:28. 1 minute and 28. 1 minute and 28 seconds. 1-point lead, Barangay 3, 67. Antipolo, 66. 1:28. 1 minute and 28 seconds. 24. Gazabo. Barangay 3's ball. 14 shot clock. 14 shot clock. One minute. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Ditano. 3 points. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Foul. 15. Frank Taishi, 10 segundos na break, 37 seconds. Frank Taishi, 10 segundos na break, 37. Wala pa penalty. Frank Taishi, 10 segundos sa 37. Foul. 15. 13 foul. 13 foul lang. Time out. Barangay 3. 31 seconds. 31. Prime tayo. No segundos sa nabilin. 2 point lead Antipolo. 2 point lead Antipolo. 67-69. 31 seconds. 31 nabilin. 31 segundos. Eighteen. Shot clock 18. 31 seconds na nabilin. Shot clock 18. 18 to shoot. 31 seconds. 31 seconds. Ang shot clock na 18. 18 to shoot. $11 foul. 14 foul pa lang. 14 foul. 11 first foul. 26 seconds. 26 seconds. 26. 14 shot clock. 26 seconds. 14 shot clock. Time to shoot. Still. Foul. Number 3. 20 seconds. 20. Wala pa penalty. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Time out. Antipolo. 20 seconds. Ano bilit? 20 segundos. segundos. Both teams, wala na time out. Both teams, wala na time out. Wala na time out. Both teams, wala na. 20 segundos na rin. 20 segundos. 20 segundos na nabilin. 20. Foul. 31. Hita, no? 13 foul lang. 13 foul. 13 foul. 17 seconds. 17. 15. 11. 10. 5. 3.2. 3.2. 3.2 na bilhin. 3.2. 3.2. 3.2. And to the fourth quarter. Extend 5 minutes. Extend 5 minutes. Mga kabarangay, hindi ka mo magpuli pagtapos may game pa ta. Team Pilipinas versus Team Pontevedra. Both teams, time out, isa-isa. Both teams, time out, isa-isa. 3 minutes araw, barangay 3. D1 to Gazabu to Salarda. 15 shot clock. D1 drive. Big 2 points. To shoot. Gitano, layup, no, follow up, Villapraca, same goal. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Espinosa, 2 points. 71 on. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 3. Second personal foul. Amar. Bongkap, first throw basket. Complete, breakthrough. 3 minutes and 55. 73-71, double lead, Barangay 3. 15 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Last ball. Three minutes and 35. 3:35. Salarda. D1. 2 points. 3 minutes and 15. 15 shot clock. Rebound, D1. 3 minutes left. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. Time out, Barangay Antipolo. 2 minutes and 49 seconds ang nabilin. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Both teams penalty na. Both teams penalty na. Barangay Antipolo, coach, wala na mo lumilin time out. Wala na time out. Ang Barangay 3 may isa pa ka time out. Two minutes and 49 seconds. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. Menes. Same ball. 7 shot clock. 7. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7. 7 to shoot. Arisa. 2 points. 2 minutes and 25. 77, 73. Gazabo. Foul. Dalog. Penalty na, penalty. Not counted, wala na counted. 2 minutes and 15. Gasapo, Castro basket. Shot clock 15. Last 2 minutes. D1, 1 minute and 45. One minute and 39. 1:39. 1 minute and 39. Then to shoot. And still Amar in foul 18 to free throw. 1 minute and 25. 1:25. 1 minute and 25 seconds. First to basket, Amar. 1 minute and 25 seconds. The fourth. Complete, no free throw. Overtime, nanagli overtime. 1 minute and 20. 15 shot clock. One minute and 3 seconds. 1 minute. 55. 2 points. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Penalty na, penalty. 36 segundos na nabilin. Fouled out na 18. Fouled out 18. 36 segundos na nabilin. Thirty-six seconds na nabilin. 36 segundos. Second to basket. 36 segundos ang nabilin. 30. Time to shoot. 20 seconds. 3 points. 15 seconds. 15. 10. 6.4. 6.4. 5. Mga kabarangay, hindi na tayo mapuli, may game pa. May ampang mataas na